sa'yo. Sa lungkot at higaya, hirap at ginhawa, kami kasama mo.
Happy birthday, Lisa! Okay, well, I wanna wish you good health and laging happy, less stress. I hope you have a great celebration of your birthday. We love you, we miss you, girl, and have a great birthday.
Kita my dimples ko. Happy birthday, Lisa! Wish you all the best on your birthday. Sana ma-experience namin yung bago mong addition sa bahay mo. Namimiss na namin kayo. We love you. Remember that we are always here for you guys. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday! Bye!
Maligayang kaarawan natin sa naway marami pang biyaya na natin sa buhay mo.
At sa buong Kapasya family.
At including the
Business niyo po na Chef Babs. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Zyan!
God bless.
Hi, Ma'am C. Happy birthday! Alam niyo ba na isa ito sa mga bagay na namimiss namin dyan sa US ay yung mga papiling ni Mayora, no? Kasi ang sarap mag-Sharon Cuneta, ang daming naiuwi sa bahay. Ma'am C, happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy kayo at lahat ng mga prayers ninyo ay matupad. Ingat kayo lagi. Miss na namin kayo. Love
Happy birthday,
you!
Ma'am. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa! Happy birthday, Te!
Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday po, Nay! More blessings to come. Prayer po namin na sana po mababa po buhay nyo. At we miss you so much and we love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Ate Sang! I hope all your wishes come true. Love you, Ate!
Happy birthday, Lisa! I hope you have more candles to blow, more cakes to eat, and more gifts to open for many years to come. Happy birthday!
Love you, Ate!
Hi, Ma'am Lisa. Happy birthday. And Lisa is my batchmate from 1997. O, sinabi ko na yung year. And she's one of the most successful and inspiring alumni of RPI Ramon Pascual Institute. And I would like to greet you on your very special day. Happy birthday to you. And I'm following you. Actually, I'm watching all your videos with your cute kids, adorable family. And I pray to God that you will realize all your dreams. And I want you to know that I idolize you at this point in our life na matatanda na tayo. We have our own families. I want everything to be the best for you. And sana we'll catch up soon when we get to visit the States. Happy birthday sa'yo, buds ng bayan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mare! Kamusta na kayo dyan? Sana makauwi kayo dito sa atin. Miss na namin kayo. Happy birthday. Yun lang. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lisa. I hope your day is filled with love, laughter, and all your favorite things. Wishing you all the best and all the love on your special day. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Lisa! I love you. I miss you.
Gusto kong samantalahin ang pagkakataong ito. Una sa lahat, gusto kitang binabati kita sang ng happy birthday. May God bless you more and more. May God open the floodgates of heaven and bless you more and more. More than you wish. At gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyo dahil naging anghel ka ng buhay namin, ng buhay ni Zyan. Salamat sa mga sakripisyo mo. Salamat sa iyong pagmamahal. Salamat sa lahat ng ginawa ng buong pamilya Kapasya sa buhay ni Zyan. Talagang hindi ko alam kung paano ko kayo pasasalamatan. Kung meron lang isang salita na higit sa pasasalamat, talagang yun ang nararapat sa inyo. Super na pasasalamat ko sa inyo dahil anghel kayo ng buhay ni Zyan. Simula pa lang na pagdating niya dyan hanggang sa huli, hindi nyo siya pinabayaan, kinalingan nyo siya ng gusto. Thank you so much sa lahat ng kaibigan ni Zyan, sa lahat ng mga naging ka-brother and sisters ni Zyan sa kanyang buhay dyan sa Amerika. Salamat sa school na sa mga lahat-lahat ng mga taong nagpaabot ng tulong sa buhay ni Zyan, sa pamilya ni Zyan. Thank you. At patuloy akong nananalangin sa Diyos na kayong lahat ay pagpalain ng higit sa inyong hinihiling, ay sumainyo ang mga pagpapala ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Salamat po na kayo ay naging parte ng buhay ni Zyan, naging anghel kayo ng buhay ni Zyan at ng buong pamilya Araya Tarolyi. Thank you. Sa lahat ng ito, Sang, I love you so much. Bal, salamat.
Isang mainit na pagbati ang aking pinapaabot sa babaeng bukod na pinagpala sa lahat. Yan ay wala iba kundi si Liza Capascia, or I often called Mama Zang. Continue to be a blessing to everyone. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happiest birthday, Ate Sang, declaring the blessings of God be upon you. God bless.
Ninang, happy birthday po. I pray that all may go well with you and you may be in good health as it goes well with your soul. I'm wishing you a very happy birthday today. You have brought so much light into my life that I can't imagine a world you weren't part of it. You're a spectacular human being and I'm very lucky to have you as my ninang, as kind and caring as you. Happy birthday po ulit. Ingat palagi po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Zang. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful, loving, welcoming, and hospitable person. I wish you all the best. I wish you good health, good life, success, abundance, prosperity, and many more blessings to come, because you deserve it, because you truly are an amazing, genuine, and beautiful person inside and out. So may all your dreams come true, all your aspirations, and God bless. I love you.
To my ever dearest special friend, I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. I just want to thank you for your life, because you are a blessing, you've been a blessing, and you are always a blessing to all of us. Kilala mo o hindi, talagang sobra kang magmahal. My prayer is long life, good health, and sana yung prayer mo matupad lahat ng desire ng puso mo. Mahal na mahal kita. I am very thankful because I've found a friend, a sister in you. I love you, Ate Zang. Keep safe and happy birthday again.
Hi, Ma'am C. Happy birthday. Greeting you all the way from China. Ayan. So, happy birthday. I wish na sana magtuloy-tuloy na ang pagtupad ng mga dreams mo for you, for yourself, and for your family. Alam mo na I'm always here for you. Lagi ako nagdasal para sa'yo, para sa pamilya mo. Alam nyo na miss ko na kayo. Ikaw, si Kuya Bal, yung mga bata. Ay, sana next year makabisita ako. Pag na-renew yung contract ko dito, plano ako mag-apply ng US visa para makabisita ako dyan. And alam mo na sa inyo ako magsistay ng ilang gabi. So kapag handa mo na yan, tsaka sunduin niyo ako sa airport, ha? Ayun, happy birthday. I am so happy na nakikita ko na unti-unti na kukuha mo na yung mga pinapangarap mo lang dati, yung mga kinukwento mo sa akin, mga kinakwento mo sa amin ni Ma'am Beth, tapos nakikita namin na unti-unti na-achieve mo na yung mga dreams mo for yourself and for your family. And mas isa ako sa mga pinakamasaya whenever I see that. Hindi man ako nakakapag-react masyado sa ating group chat. Ewan ko, minsan kasi talaga parang wala lang, gusto ko lang magbasa. Or may mga ginagawa lang talaga akong mga hindi ko na alam kung importante sa buhay ko. Well, anyway. Ayun. Miss ko na kayo. Alam nyo na mahal ko kayo. Kung kailangan nyo ng anything na magagawa ko from China, wala dito, just let me know and I'll be more than happy. Alam mo naman kung gaano ako ka-thankful kay Lord na na-meet ko kayo kasi I wouldn't have survived my 2.5 years dyan sa States without your help. Salamat. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. Nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo for welcoming me into your family, especially during the times na sobrang kailangan ko, na sobrang down ako. And ayun, isa ka sa mga nagpatatag sa akin nung nandyan ako sa States. And hopefully soon makabisita ulit ako dyan. So, ayun lang, happy birthday. And kung sakali mo magkaroon kayo ng chance na makabisita dito sa China, sabihan mo ako.
Hi Ate Zang, happy 18th birthday. Kahit napaka bata mo pa, 18 ka lang, pero ikaw ang ate ng lahat. Continue to be a blessing to all of us, lalo na sa mga taga North Carolina. Sana matuto na ako mag-drive para makadalaw na ako dyan sa mansion mo. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Zang. Thank you for all the help that you have given me and my family. I'm so blessed to have you as my friend and my ate. Sobrang thankful ako sa life mo kasi napakabait mo at saka napaka-pure ng heart mo. I am praying that God will grant the desires of your hearts and He will continually bless you with good health, happiness, and long life. God bless you. Happy birthday and I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Sang. Isa lang ang masasabi ko ngayong birthday mo. Isa. Bye.
Morning, Zyan. Happy birthday sa'yo, ha? More birthdays to come. See ya. Bye.
Hello, Ma'am Zang! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best and I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for being my life coach in all areas of my life. You have been there to support me. Thank you so much despite of the distance that we have, but I really felt your presence beside me and I just declare the Lord bless you, keep you, and make you prosperous in all the ways of your life with all together with your family. Happy birthday and I love you so much.
Hello, Maraming Lisa. Happy birthday. I hope you live longer para marami ka pang matulungan ng mga teachers. And then, I hope that you will fulfill all your goals in life. At isa na nga dyan yung sa bahay nyo. At alam ko unti-unting natutupad yung pangarap mo yan. And then, alam ko maswerte ang family mo para sa iyo. Kasi dahil gagawin mo lahat para sa kanila. At syempre, maswerte din ako, naging kaibigan. You're my best kumare and my best friend. I love you. Happy birthday.
Ay, Ma'am Zang, happy birthday. Happy birthday, babe. Saan ang papansit natin? Okay, sana lahat ng wish mo sa birthday mo matupad. Enjoy your big day. Hintala ako ng invite. Joke. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday po kay Ma'am Lisa Capascia. Ingat po kayo palagi, ma'am, kung nasan man kayo. God bless po. Hello po kay Chas. Miss ko na yan dati. Sa buong pamilya mo, ma'am. Good health po. Thank you. Ingat po kayo, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Lisa! Yan. I wish you good life, good brains. Lagi ako nakaabang dun sa mga videos mo. Kasi entertaining na natututo pa kami. Natututo ako. So enjoy the party, enjoy the revelry. Malay mo, susunod makikikain na ako sa'yo. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Beshi Idol.
Alam mo naman, ikaw ang pinaka-idol ko dito sa lahat ng mga guro na kilala ko dito sa Amerika. Okay, just trivia para alam ng lahat. Si Liza used to be my student in high school, nung high school siya. That was my first year of teaching. Tapos nag-eduk siya, tapos nag-apply sa school, naging co-teacher ko na sa school namin. Tapos ngayon, kumare na at beshi. So ayan, I wish you a very happy birthday. Alam ko naman you're always happy. And yun, good health to you and to the rest of the family. At sana makamit na ang minimithi soon. Okay? So happy birthday. Miss you.
Hi, Tita Liz. Happy birthday. You deserve all the gifts in the world. We pray that the Lord will give all your heart's desire according to His perfect will. And we wish you good health and more blessings to come. And may the Lord bless you more and keep you. And may His face shine upon you and give you peace. We love you, Tita Liz. I hope you will enjoy your birthday. And the Vizcara family are always here for the Capascia family. We are so blessed kasi kahit nawala tayo sa Pilipinas, pero dinala kayo ni Lord dito sa US. Even the 2 hours away, it's a big impact for me and my family. We love you, Tita Liz. Thank you for always being there for me. I love you. Enjoy your special day. You deserve it.
Happy birthday! Many birthdays to come. Come with me, for me in the day today. I miss you, love you. Congrats with everything.
Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umagang kay ganda, pasikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap.